Mm-hmm.
The boy said, no, him want film pussy, I mean, live with and this and that, and then a girl a road him a fuck, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, they know me, if she willing to come talk, she will come talk. But then me I said, no, me no want the boy to haul and pull me clothes, and him tear off my blouse off of me. But no, like, kind of they turn me on, it could be like a tear off blouse. So, but them something that turn me on. It's like how when you want the fuck of me, I tell you, no, you fight feet, and them something them I like. When they say come give me the pussy, I say no, I'm look serious as a judge, and you just jog me so. Them something them I like. You know? Me I rough you up and you look upon me, you come so. Them something them I like. Me and y'all a cuss now, and you just, and then you come hug me up and say, ease yourself, man. Look, you make me have to make, look what you have to make, man, have to lick off your face. Them something them I like them. You know? Them something them I like. So when the boy grab me and tear off the clothes now, I say, wow. Them something are nice. Anyways, in the end, I still was standing to my point, so I never want to have sex because I never finish with what me I talk about. Him say no, him not care same way or whatever. You know when say you finish your period and that little something there, the little clean out thing come, it have a smell.
Mm-hmm.
It have to have a little smell like.
After it done.
Yeah, when the period are finishing, you clean up after yourself. And you think when you see a period, you smell, and when your body are clean up after, that's when you smell that smell there. The boy fight me up and decides then one fuck. Anyways, I say, okay then. Since we know me, now I got tangle with you. Worse me did than years, I could even fight back. You know what I mean? It's like I could have girt my hands up, me have on my nails. So that come like me, I come, so me can't. You know? So I just did give up at one point. Anyways, you saw him skin out the front, so I look so. And him a look at me and look. I'm now move neither. And him a put him there and I take off him clothes and I still cannot never lock back my foot. Because what you want you shall get. Because you don't listen. And him there and him pushing him hood. When him pushing him hood and him push out him hood and him look pan it, him see the brown thing. Him look pan me and I look. I know I swear to God, them say enough is swear, but shot me for sitting here telling a lie. And him pushing him hood and him take it out and him look pan it and him look pan me like he did want me to say something. But what me for say? What I have to say more than me have to look back on your car.
Say him they not clean out good.
Okay. Anyways now, after that now, him start beat it. Him start beat it and that feels so uncomfortable to me because I'm not having sex naturally. Where me know say if I feel something, I can know say I'm a pre-cum that, or I can know say I'm a come easy for come. So sometimes I come and I not even know